We are saddened and shocked at the silence of our so-called friends of Kenya, who are represented in this country. Up to today, not a single embassy or ambassador has raised their voice to condemn this wanton killing of innocent Kenyan people. On the day that we arrived from the United States, coming into town through a peaceful procession, we lost 18 lives by the time we arrived at the Uhuru Park. 2 days later, innocent Kenyans were butchered at Ruaraka. Since that time up to now, 215 people have been killed. Nobody's talking about it. Yet they have the impudence and audacity to come and advise us, forget and move on. We do not recognize the elections of 26th of October this year. We do not and we will not recognize them. That's why we have said that we do not recognize the swearing in into office as a result of the so-called elections of 26th of October.